Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek. In today's guide video, I'm about to simply show you on how you can fix if your Instagram messages are not working or not sending properly. But before we get started with today's video, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. Are you trying to send messages on Instagram but it is not actually sending? Now you might have been facing several kind of issues, and if that is the case, we're going to follow through a few steps which will hopefully get your messages on Instagram to work again. So make sure to follow with us till the end. First things first, let's say that you actually open Instagram. If I open my Instagram and then I actually go to my chats icon, and let's say you're trying to message someone. Now maybe you're not being able to send a message, maybe they have received a message but you're not being able to see in the chat screen. There could be multiple reasons for that. Most probably it could also be a bug which is from the Instagram app itself. So in order to fix that, we're going to simply open our Play Store, and in the search box we want to type in Instagram and then simply check for the update of Instagram, because most probably what happens is that if there are any kind of bugs or minor issues, a simple update is actually going to fix them. If you see the update button on your device, go ahead and simply update the app, whether you're on Android or iOS. It doesn't really actually matter. Now, after you've actually updated and whether you're still trying to see and you're still not being able to send messages, the next thing I would recommend you is to simply switch to your cellular data instead of Wi-Fi. So if you're connected to Wi-Fi, try turning off the Wi-Fi and then turn on mobile data. And if you're using cellular data, turn off cellular data and try using the Wi-Fi. Just switch depending on whichever connection or means of connection you're actually using. Sometimes what happens is that it could also be a network issue. The next thing we are going to do is to actually switch the accounts. So you also want to check whether you have been restricted to message on Instagram because of some kind of suspicious activities. Try to message other users, not just one particular person. Also try to switch to other accounts and see if the problem persists. Else what you could do is, if you're on the chat screen and you're not being able to send messages or to them, most likely it is also because that person may have actually deactivated their account. So if you actually see a label called Instagram user instead of their profile name or something, it could also mean that their account were blocked, or also means that you could have highly been blocked yourself from that person. So you want to make sure that isn't the case, because you can see if there is Instagram user, it most likely means that the account is actually disabled. Go ahead and try to do any of the things which you do. If it didn't work for you, then the only thing you could do is actually head over to instagram.com from the web browser. So you could actually head over to instagram.com from the web browser, and in the web browser you could go and log into your account. Now most probably it is actually going to still redirect you to the app, but you want to skip that and you want to log into your account from the web browser and then try to message. We hope one of these solutions may have worked for you, and if it did work for you, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe. If you have any more questions, make sure to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.